Introducing ClearStash, your personal wallet on Clrxplore. ClearStash makes your shopping experience faster, easier, and more seamless. Here's how it works. ClearStash allows you to top up your account with real money, creating a digital balance right within Clrxplore. This means no more entering payment details each time you want to make a purchase. Simply load up your balance and start exploring. Buy music, digital art, or any products across the platform with just a few clicks. The benefits? First, it's convenient, especially for smaller transactions. Instead of reaching for your wallet every time, your ClearStash balance is ready to go, saving you time on each purchase. Second, it helps you manage your spending by letting you set aside a budget specifically for your Clrxplore purchases. For our regular users, ClearStash is all about maximizing value. With ClearStash, you're set up for spontaneous discoveries, supporting artists and creators effortlessly. So, go ahead, top up, explore, and experience everything Clrxplore has to offer. With ClearStash, it's all just a click away. Clrxplore, see how it works.